Hello all, today we will understand the proposal your chapter 11 by Anton Chekhov. Now before starting let me tell you something about the author. Now Anton Chekhov is chiefly known for his short stories and he is a Russian author. Okay, now let us understand its summary. The curtain rises with Lomov entering his neighbor Chupkov's house fully dressed up in the evening attire. Chupkov is surprised to see him well dressed and asked him the occasion. Lomov reveals that he had come to make a request. Chupkov expects that he must have come to ask for money, which he does not intend on giving. On being revealed that Lomov had come to ask for Chupkov's daughter, Natalia's hand in marriage, Chupkov gets filled with excitement and leaves to call Natalia. Lomov is a 35-year-old gentleman who suffers from palpitations, gets upset very easily and doesn't sleep well. He thinks it is the best age for him to get married and he is happy that he has his mind made up about Natalia. According to him, Natalia is average looking and a good housekeeper. When Natalia arrives, Lomov begins the conversation about how grateful and glad he is that both their families are on good terms since the very beginning. While continuing to talk about his hand, he somehow mentions about Oxen Meadows, which earlier was disputed property but now is his. Natalia couldn't believe a word he was saying because she believes that Oxen Meadows belonged to her family. Both of them enter into a heated discussion and act childishly when Chupkov enters just to get conversation more heated. They shout and scream while Lomov suffers from extreme pounding of the heart. They throw Lomov out of the house and continue cursing him. While speaking ill of him, Chupkov unintentionally reveals that he had come with a marriage proposal for Natalia, which surprises Natalia and she immediately regrets sending him out. She tells her father to bring him back immediately and Chupkov curses himself on being a father of a grown-up daughter. When Lomov returns, Natalia tries to deviate to another topic and starts talking about shooting. Somehow, they enter into an argument involving their dogs. They continue arguing when Chupkov enters the scene only to make the situation worse once again. Everyone gets hyper and Lomov finally falls due to his palpitations. Even then, the cursing continues when suddenly Natalia notices that he is unconscious. They try to get water down his throat but end up getting successful and declare him dead. It is only when Lomov moves a little bit they feed him some water and Chupkov forcefully hands over Natalia's hand to him. He gives his blessings and asks him to kiss. Lomov, still not fully conscious, doesn't understand what is going on. When finally he comes to his senses, he expresses his excitement and kisses Natalia's hands. Natalia, being childish as she is, manipulates him into accepting that Squeezer is better than guest but Lomov. Being adamant as he is, refuses to accept it. Thus, once again, the quarrelling continues. And this was it, students. For study-based notes and MCQs, contact the numbers given. Thank you. Take care.